Good morning and welcome to New Inbox. Today we're going to look at the Tamiya TRF201 XMW part number 42277. Okay, here we have some information about this model. It says aluminium long wheelbase lower deck, big bore dampers, aluminium gear case, aluminium motor plate. Yeah, I didn't have enough time to read that, but you can see here too. Carbon battery plate, carbon damper state in the rear, universal shaft with axle ring, ball diffs, gear differential, and this is mid-engine 1/10 two-wheel drive buggy. Okay, here we have some plastic bags. Okay, mounts for the rear wing and some battery support or something. Okay, more parts. Okay, is the front of the chassis maybe, and here are for the steering, maybe shock tower. This is for the steering, yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, damper towers. Okay, more plastic. Some chassis parts. I haven't never built this kind of car before, so I don't know. Okay, let's look inside this plastic bag. They call it mid-engine, but yeah. The engine is just in front of the rear axle, so it's not mid-engine. Okay, here we have the arms. Okay, that's for the wheels. Okay, more arms. Okay, and then something for the dampers, maybe a shock parts. Okay. Okay, the ball diff. Something for the steering hubs. Okay, for the cover for the gearbox. Okay, one more ball differential. Let's see. I don't know what this is. Here are for the dampers and some bushings, plastic bags. Okay, let's look. Sorry, inside the most interesting plastic bag. The black parts are only necessary, but not too interesting. Okay, here we have silicone oil, some ball bearings, and some tools. This is bag A. Okay, more. Okay, here we have maybe some spur gear, or some gears for the gearbox. Okay, here we have a bag number E. Okay, some ball bearings, blue nuts. Okay, pinion gears. Okay, and here we have the aluminium shocks, bag number D, damper oil, some nice blue aluminium parts. Okay, you see the aluminium dampers. That's nice. I don't like plastic. Okay, bag number C. Okay, a spring, maybe for the slipper clutch or something. Some blue parts, turnbuckles, ball joints. Yeah. Okay, here we have something more for the gearbox. Okay, here the carbon shock towers, damper towers, really nice blue aluminum parts. It's bag B. That looks great, but only in the rear of the car. Okay, even more gearbox. Wow, I have to do my nails. Wow. Okay, here's the blue aluminium motor mount. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Here we have the buggy body. Yeah, it's just a body for a buggy, not too interesting, but it's doing its job, maybe, I hope. The rear wing. Here we have the main aluminum chassis, maybe like a little silver golden color, and the plastic supports for the side, not support but plastic on the side of the chassis. Okay, here we have antenna. Whoop. Okay, the same, I don't, oop, yeah. Okay, the stickers, TRF201 XMW. There is a setting sheet for how to set the caster and the camber and the shocks and everything. Gearing. Okay, here are the manual, TRF201 XMW limited edition. Okay, here we assembled the ball leaf. Okay, here more about the gearbox. Okay, here the slipper clutch, the damper towers, how to mount the gearbox. Here's the chassis. Okay, the arms, the suspension. Here we have more about steering, suspension, the dampers, the oil, how to put in the oil, how to bleed them. Okay, here, put in the motor. Okay, how to put in the servo and the speed regulator. Okay, the wheels. This comes without wheels. Wow. I didn't see any wheels in the bag, in the box. Wow. I have to check that out later. Okay. Sorry. Okay. That's all. See you later. Bye bye.